God bless you everyone. Today we're gonna drive the B14. So yeah, like you guys heard, today we're gonna try to drive the B14, and a lot has happened since the last video. I got the parts I was waiting for, and I was able to finish the intercooler piping. It's temporary because still not painted, but that's the way or something like that it's gonna go. Also, I got the intake piping finished, and I got the ISR matte plate over here, aluminum. It looks super beautiful. Besides that, I also got the brand new O2 sensor in there. I fill up the car. Actually, it has power steering fluid, it has coolant. It still needs bleeding, but as you guys can see, have coolant. Also, I got a 10-inch fan in the car, so right now instead of be pulling, it's pushing, so that way I have all the space over here to throw the intercooler piping a better way. Besides that, nothing has changed. So what I'm gonna do, gonna fill up some coolant on it, and let's start up the car. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The car is idling. Actually it sounds very good. The pool seems to be spooling a lot faster than the old one. and I like it a lot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put air on that tire that is getting flat, and I'm gonna attempt to go around the building just to see how the car works. It's looked like I'm gonna have to retune the whole car, but let's see what happens. So let's go. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. That was the first drive on the 200SX SCR with an SR20 DET swap straight from Japan. Big turbo T28. Right now the car is not running properly since this is the first drive since the turbo swap. The car is running super rich. It's ridiculous. I never seen Like the car idles fine, but as soon as you press the pedal or get into boost, the car tends want to die. You guys saw the car dies a couple times on the video, and I don't know, I can try to mess with the Apex C and see if I can throw some fuel out or just add fuel to it. But something else that I heard is my brakes are squeaking and it feels sketchy driving with them, so I'm gonna have to get brakes in eventually, so expect a brake video on this car. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. That's the first drive on the B14, the big turbo. We're gonna have to work with a couple things little by little, but hey, at least the car is running. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.